Hello friends, myself Halawat Ramesh. Today we will talk about MSc Chemistry colleges in Khammam district. This is a very general topic. Most of the students they don't know what are the MSc Chemistry colleges offering in Khammam district. Basically, I am belong to the Khammam district. That's why I am quite interesting to making the some MSc Chemistry colleges in Khammam district. I will show you slide by slide. Most of these colleges are offering MSc Chemistry. MSc Chemistry is one of the good subject comparing to other science branches like physics, mathematics. MSc Chemistry is both sides. It will be useful for pharmacy, pharmaceutical industries and the pharma industries, and as well as a teaching method also. So MSc Chemistry is one of the leading subject, and chemistry is one of the major subject in our real life. It is used both teaching and company side. So as my opinion, who are the upcoming from the MSc Chemistry student, please choose MSc Chemistry and do hard work and prolong it like PhD for higher studies. Okay, we will see slide by slide for MSc Chemistry colleges in Khammam district. Okay, first one, you can see the Kerala Degree and PG College, Palvancha, Bhadradi Kottagudem districts. Now it is comes under Khammam, and it is Telangana. Kerala Degree and PG College also is famous college, and it's good for the chemistry subject. And this college, all colleges are affiliated to the under Kakatiya University Warangal. Okay, and second one college is Kavita Degree and PG College, Gattaya Center, Upendraya Nagar, like Kaviraj Nagar in Khammam district in Telangana. So this is also offering the MSc Chemistry college in Khammam district. And third one is the Dr. RJC College of Higher Education, Trunk Road in Kalavodi Tilkal, in Trunk Road in Khammam district. This college also offering the MSc Chemistry. Like most of the all colleges are offering the MSc Organic Chemistry. Okay, most of apart from that affiliated all colleges in under Kakatiya University, most of the colleges offering in MSc Organic Chemistry. And the fourth one, Seelam Pullareddy Memorial Degree and PG College, Madira, Khammam district in Telangana. So this is also good college and good faculty is available for that MSc Organic Chemistry and MSc Chemistry. And fifth one, you can see the National Degree and PG College. It is High School Road like Palvancha in Khammam district in Telangana. This is also one of the best college for MSc Chemistry. And sixth one, SR and BGNR Gout Degree and PG College. I was studied in this college from my bachelor degree. So it is located in the Illandu Crossroad in Khammam district. It is one of the famous college and one of the autonomous institute, and labs facilities and chemicals are everything is available in the college. Suppose if you want to study in Khammam district in MSc Chemistry, if you have the chance to join the first, give the priority for SR and BGNR Government Degree and PG College, famous for the MSc Chemistry. And well occupied labs and the libraries is very nice for this college. And seventh one is JVR Gout Degree and PG College and Sattupalli in Khammam district, Jalgal Vengal Rao Gout Junior College and Degree College. This is also is very famous for this MSc Chemistry. It is one of the oldest college also. It is well occupied than all labs facilities. And eighth one is the Shantiniketan Degree and PG College, Sattupalli, Khammam district in Telangana. This is also one of the nice college for offering the MSc Chemistry. And ninth one is Kakatiya Degree and PG College, Sattupalli in Khammam district. And 10th one is the Navabharat Degree and PG College, Lal Bahadur Shastri Road, Sattupalli in Khammam district in Telangana. It is also good college for MSc Chemistry. And next one is the 11th one, Kavita Memorial Degree and PG College. This is also very good college. KMDC and KMPGC is established in 1991. One of the best entire Khammam district is the private college is very famous for Kavita Memorial Degree and PG College, and faculty lab facilities are very good for in this MSc Chemistry courses. Okay, Kavita Memorial and Degree PG College. And 12th one is the Priyadarshini Degree and PG College, Nehru Nagar, Khammam. This is also very famous college for MSc Chemistry and MSc like Organic Chemistry. It is good for choosing this one. And next one is the 13th one, Gout Degree and PG College for Women's, Gandhi Chowk beside the Central Post Office, Khammam district, Telangana. It is also best college for girls and boys also. Girls for this college is very famous, and these offerings are so many PG courses and good. And 14th one, Geetam Degree and PG College in Ambedkar Nagar in road in Sattupalli in Khammam district in the. And I was listed out some Khammam degree colleges, Aryabhatta degree college in Khammam, BBM Vari Gayatri degree and PG college, it is also Khammam, and Dr. RJC Higher College of Education Khammam. And fourth one is the DRS degree and postgraduate college in Khammam district, DRS degree college in Mamelagudam Khammam, and government degree college for women in Khammam. And seventh one is the Gautami degree college in Khammam. Eighth one, JVR college, government college in Khammam, and Kavita degree college in Khammam, Kavita memorial degree and postgraduate college in Khammam. 11th one is Madina degree college in Khammam. 12th one is the national degree and postgraduate college in Khammam. And 13th one, new generation degree college for women in Khammam, and Priyadarshini degree college in Khammam, Singareni Colonies Women's College for Khammam, SRN Bijanar Gaud degree and PG Arts and Science College in Khammam, Sri Rama Chandra Government Degree College in Khammam, University Postgraduate College in Khammam, Vikas Degree College in Khammam, Vivekavardhani Degree and PG Postgraduate College in Khammam. These are the most of the colleges in Khammam district, entire Khammam district for graduation and MSc Chemistry offering colleges. Okay, BSc and MSc offering colleges. If you like this video, please like and share and comment. Thank you for watching this YouTube. Bye, see you.